If you've decided to close your iCloud account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Step 1. Back up your data. Before closing your iCloud account, it is crucial to back up any important files, photos, or documents stored in iCloud. You can download these files to your computer or transfer them to another cloud service. Step 2. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. This will give you access to your account settings where you can manage your iCloud account. Step 3. Manage your iCloud settings. Once signed in, navigate to the iCloud settings. Review the services you are using and disable any features you no longer want, such as iCloud Drive, Photos, or Mail. This will help in preparing your account for closure. Step 4. Request account deletion. In the account settings, look for the option to delete your account. Follow the prompts to request the deletion of your iCloud account. You may need to verify your identity and confirm your decision multiple times. Step 5. Confirm deletion and wait. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation. It may take some time for your account to be fully deleted. During this period, you can still access your account, but it will eventually become inactive. Once you have completed these steps, your iCloud account will be on its way to closure. Remember to check your email for any updates regarding the status of your account deletion.